Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today on this glorious bank holiday Monday, we're going to be replacing the radiator on the Mk1 Twingo. It's had a weeping radiator for a little while. It's not been too bad, I've managed it, it's been fine. A little bit of rad weld as well, that seemed to help. So the new radiator's come in from Germany. It came in on Saturday and I'm going to basically replace this radiator and get it back on the road so I can actually start using it during the summer. Let's get on with it. So we have a couple of bolts which are being a bit stubborn. These are the bolts which hold the condenser for the aircon onto the radiator. I really don't want to have to disconnect the the condenser radiator for the aircon, because it's going to cost money to refill it, and actually it's looking pretty manky as well. That might need replacing. So yeah, so literally I've got one bolt there and then one bolt here, just there. So yeah, that's what I'm fighting with right now. And then there's two more on top once I unbolted the radiator, and the radiator bolts to the bottom of the front sub mount or subframe. So yeah, that's not too difficult, but I've had to deal with a damn sight worse than this in the past with trying to get radiators out. So, and again, the issue with those bolts is that you can't actually get to them. It's impossible to get to them. It's actually, you need sort of around about there to get to them. So I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do there. I'm going to try something on it anyway. So yeah, so keep on going. I think I need a new aircon radiator. That's broken. It's still holding gas. Right, radiator is out. Yeah, it's manky. It is manky. Yeah, it's manky. So, right, let's get this off the side, bolt it onto the new radiator and get it back in. Hopefully the aircon might actually still be gassed. Alright, so I'm just making sure that the radiators actually match up. That side looks fine, and then that one looks the same. I'm just going to take the rubber bungs out and put them in, so this all looks good. So that's the radiator all installed, and it doesn't seem to be leaking at all. The aircon radiator is falling apart, and I think I've lost gas, so I'm going to get a new one for that one and replace that and then get it regassed. It's very hot here on this bank holiday Monday. It's just roasting. I'm going to take the car out for a little drive. I've got some coolant in there, so I'll get that some spare coolant in the car. So I'll if there is a problem, I'll top it up. Thanks for watching. I said it's just too hot here to go in to find detail. My head is burning, my arms are burning even with a factor 30 on. So be safe and see you on the next video.